What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in databases. The select statement is used to select data from a database. If you want to select all the fields available in the table, use this command select asterisk from customers. If you want to select some fields in the table, use the column names. Select column 1, column 2. From table name, what are data types in SQL? It shows what the value column can hold. Some data types are given below, like integer, character, n-varchar, date and time, binary, etc. Operators. The operators are used to specify conditions. Different types of operators are available in SQL. Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators. Arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Comparison operators include equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Logical operators include an, or, not, between, like, in, is, null, etc. Create and drop database. Like and subscribe. The SQL create database statement is used to create a new SQL database. Syntax. The basic syntax of the create database statement is as follows: create database, database name. The SQL drop database statement is used to drop an existing database in SQL. Syntax. The basic syntax of the drop database statement is as follows: drop database, database name. Create and drop tables. Basic syntax of the create table statement is as follows: create table, table underscore name, column 1 datatype, column 2 datatype, column 3 datatype, column n datatype, primary key, one or more columns. The basic syntax of this drop table statement is as follows: drop table, table underscore name, select, insert and update query. SQL select statement is used to fetch the data from a database table which returns this data in the form of a result table. The basic syntax of the select statement is as follows: select column 1, column 2, column n from table underscore name. If you want to fetch all the fields available in the field, then you can use the following syntax: select asterisk from table underscore name. The SQL insert into statement is used to add new rows of data to a table in the database. The basic syntax of the select statement is as follows: insert into table underscore name, column 1, column 2, column 3, column n, values, value 1, value 2, value 3, value n. The basic syntax of the update query is as follows: minus update table underscore name, set column 1 equals value 1, column 2 equals value 2, column n equals value n. The basic syntax of the delete query with the where clause is as follows: delete from table underscore name where, condition, where, and or, not clause. The where clause is used to filter records. The basic syntax of the select statement with the where clause is as shown below. Select column 1, column 2, column from table underscore name where, condition, example, select asterisk from customers where customer ID equals 1. The where clause can be combined with an or and not operators. The and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one condition. The and operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by and are true. Example, select ID, name, salary from customers where salary greater than 2,000. Distinct order by, group by clause. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct records. The SQL order by clause is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. Example, select asterisk from customers order by name, salary. The group by statement groups rows that have the same values into summary rows, like finding the number of customers in each country. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions count, max, min, sum, avg, to group the results set by one or more columns. Example: select count, customer ID, country from customers group by country. Example 2, select sum, amount, customer from customers group by customer. The having clause was added to SQL because the where keyword cannot be used with aggregate functions. Select count, customer ID, country from customers group by country having count, customer ID, greater than 5.